Hi there, everyone. Today we're going to learn how to write a linear inequality if you are given the graph. We are going to write it in y equals mx plus b form. So we already know that m is our slope and b is our y-intercept, as we've done with equations. But this time we're going to be changing that symbol in the middle to represent the shading that we see here. So the first thing we're going to do is identify our slope. And to do that, we need 2 points. So we've got one here at our y-intercept. Oh, look, we've already got our y-intercept. We actually already have our b value, which is 8. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. And then I see another point right here. And I am going to find my slope, my rise over run. Starting with the point on the left, I am decreasing 3 and going over 1. So my slope is -3 divided by 1, which is -3. So we've got most of our equation here, but remember, it's not an equation really anymore. It's not going to have an equal sign. It's not just a line. So in this particular, we want to look at two things: where it's shaded, so we can see that it's shaded below the line. To me, that means it is either less than or equal to. Now, since it is a dashed line, it is just less than. And the reason why is because every point that is on that dashed line is actually not part of our solution set. Okay, where are our solutions for this? Our solutions are in the shaded area, or if they were on a solid line. But since our line is dashed, none of the points on that line are solutions. And everything over here, not in the shaded area, are non-solutions. They are not solutions to this inequality. So this is what we actually came here to do, which was write an inequality. So an example of a solution might be right here at the point -4, 1. And an example of a non-solution would be our y-intercept itself. 0, 8 is not a solution because it is on a dashed line. Okay, so keep that in mind. If it's on a solid line, it is a solution, but if it's on a dashed line, it is not. But in this particular video, our goal was to show you how to write that inequality, and you can see it here in the box. Y is less than -3x plus 8. Have a great day, guys.